Once I started working on a lot more projects around the house, I wanted to up my eye game, but I still wanted to stay stylish. Love that these are OSHA military ballistic impact certified, but they're still cute. First impression, hard case opens well. It reveals that the glasses come with a secondary soft liner as well. I'm noticing right away that they are lightweight, but they actually feel sturdy even within this packaging. Frame feels steady enough. I'm not noticing any movement or wibbling or wobbling as I'm opening them up. And first glance, they're decently attractive, like the feel of those rubber ear pads on the back. Love that those sides are clear for peripheral vision and they seem quite sturdy. All of it's locking together quite nicely. Ear bridge is holding well and love those adjustable nose pads. Up close, I'm noticing some slight texturing on those, which is nice because I think they'll be less likely to slip and they're holding steady. So once you get them where you want them, it seems like they're going to stay in place. And an up close look at that UV resistant anti-fog glass as well. It does come with the case, the soft liner, the adjustable straps so that it can attach if you're doing any work bending over, they'll stay in place, and the cleaner for the glasses because we know they do get dirty while we're working with them, and this is a nice, easy, and convenient way to get them nice and cleaned up for the next job. Overall first impressions, well made, well thought out. Love the attention to details for comfort and long-term durability. Thanks to the seller for sending these over. If you're looking for some new protective glasses, definitely check these out.